DV80H4000CS model. This is 8 kg condensation dry system. This dry machine not working at all. We have to check what is the exactly problem, because this machine actually by the customer brought to the workshop. Now I'm going to check this one. Now I will show you also it is not working actually at all, and we will go to the next step. I already given power connection, but still it's not working. The customer complaint also at same. It's not working at all. Now I'm going to check. Now in my workshop power already okay, but now we will remove the top cover. Now I will check here power connection, the power cable. Yes, it is showing it. That's mean no problem with the plug top. Also power cable. It's 230 supply into the machine. But now I have to check here control board area. Also with this model, this is the model. This model DV80H4C0000CS model having direct power connection with the heater. Through the heater thermistor only power supply. Now we will remove the back of cover heater and we will check. Now we have to remove all the screws are here. Now I already remove all the screws. Now we have to check this thermostat. Two thermostat here. This one and this one continuity. We have to check now. If it is one is defect, this machine not getting. We are not able to switch in on. Now we have to remove this one and we will check. Now we can check here with the tester. It is already here showing. What about the other one? But one side only here showing, but other side not showing. Also we can check by our multimeter, and we will check with the multimeter also. Now we have to check. Yeah, it's 220, it's passing. Other side also we can check. Yes, it's not passing. That means that this thermostat having problem. Now we will remove and check. Yeah, 230 passing only one side, other side not passing. Now we will remove this connection from the thermostat and we will check. Now we can check continuity. Yes, my dear friend, it is already gone. Because of that only this dryer machine not working. Now it is easy job for us. Now we have to replace this thermostat. After that machine will get start. Now I'm going to replace that one. I'm going to check. I having thermostat, so many thermostat, but good one. Yeah, that one is okay. Also other one, this one also check. Yeah, that one also okay, but we will replace this one and we will check. Now we will remove that one. Also we will fix another one. Now we will fix, and also again we will check. Okay, now we will check again. Now we will give the power connection. Now we already given power connection. Now we can check here 230 power. Here this line only power supplying to the main control board. This is for the safety, they modify like that. Now this one we can check power supplying or not, both side. Yes, it is okay. Yes, it's okay. Now we will start the machine and we will check. Now I already given power connection. Yes, my dear, the problem with the thermostat, it is already gone. Because of that only machine not getting start. Now I will start the machine again. Yes, machine is running well without any problem. The problem with the thermostat, it is already gone. Now after replacing thermostat, machine running well without any problem. Now I have to refix top cover and heater cover. After that, our job already complete. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thanks again.